It's got the cash register. Shannon, you have to pay him. You have to pay him for the ice cream. Shannon, go back and you have to pay him.
Jack, don't pull her.
Oh boy, nobody steals from Jack. Give him some money. There you go. Good job. You guys are good salespeople.
Jack, now you're the customer and Shannon's the worker. So you place your order.
Okay, what are you going to order?
What do you want? What do you want? Would you like French fries?
Okay, say okay. Shannon, say okay. I'm going to make it. Okay.
Thank you.
I said that'll be $5, please. Shannon, that'll be $5, please. Tristan, you're the customer?
Yeah.
Who's selling? Shannon or Jack?
Who's
Who's working? Jack and Shannon together.
Shannon's the cook.
Okay. Tristan, so say what you want. Sally wants some French fries.
Tristan, what would you like?
French fries and hamburgers. Some chicken nuggets.
How about chicken nuggets, Tristan?
Yeah. Well, I'll make it for you.
Hey, Jack. Jack.
How much is it? Tristan, say how much is it?
Jack.
This one. I have a lot. How many? 1, 2, 3, a lot. Thank you. But I think that's it. Oh, thank you. Here's your money. It's here. Oh, thanks.
Hey,
No,
Jack.
it's my turn. Here. Thank you.
Jack.
Okay, bye-bye, guys. That was good. That was real good.
Good work, Shannon.
Good job.
Wow, Dad. I'm a customer.
Oh, Tristan's now the worker.
We have to go on the other side. Tristan.
I'm a worker now.
Okay, who's the customers?
All right, Shannon can be a customer, but we'll make picture here.
Or are you guys full? Jack, anybody want to buy anything from... How about Mommy? Shannon, you want to buy something from Tristan?
Go ahead, you're the customer.
Hello. What do you want today? What do you want today? That one.
Some chicken nuggets?
French fries?
Thank you.
Okay,
Tristan,
that was
look,
fun.
look, look.
Here. 3. Oh, wait, thank you.
Shannon, you have to pay. Shannon, you have to
Shannon, Shannon, say how much is it? Ask Tristan, how much is it, Tristan? How much is it?
It's 693.
$6.93. Okay, pay him the money, Shannon.
Here you go. Oh, thanks. Here you go. Thank you.
Okay, have a nice day. The shop is closed.